Sup guys, Kamikaze back with another video, and I'm here to show you basically all the bikes I have so far, and maybe what's to come. So, first gonna start off with my very first bike I ever did wheelies on and stuff. It was a 1980s, it was around that time, GT Dyno. This lighting sucks right now, but here it is in all of its glory. It needs to be rebuilt. This thing has seen much better days. And here is the other one. It's my Raleigh little 20-inch mountain bike. I put some parts on it and stuff. It's really beat the shit, and this was the bike I used the most as my wheelie bike. And then the one on top of it is the one I used at my grandmother's house a lot. It's just a Genesis 27.5 mountain bike, really. That's basically what it is. That's all it really is. Jesus, light sucks dick. And then my next one was a custom bike I made on a Swallow frame with some custom parts and some different parts and stuff on it. It's basically just a completely custom bike, and I'll show you the bars and grips that were on it. Definitely need new grips, and bars are still good. So here are the bars, just some SE Big Honka bars, and then I had some purple ODI mushroom grips. I have a Wheelmasters rear wheel. The front wheel I have no idea what it is. Then I have a slime tube in the rear, and then a Maxxis hookworm on it, with just some cheap disc brakes and shit that were just like Pro Max and Shimano Hydros. And then here's the frame. It's a little beat up, has a SC sprocket, and then it has a KMC purple chain, some SC cranks. Definitely needs to be fixed too. And then my prized possession so far, my GT Pro Series 29-inch, not the LTD. This is the one with the disc brakes. This is just the regular Pro Series. Comes with orange GT grips, GT end caps. It comes with a Pro Max mechanical disc brake, some custom GT smoothies, which are their wheelie tires, GT stickers and stuff, GT pegs, GT chain tensioner, Pro Max disc, GT hubs, GT cranks, pedals, sprocket, generic chain, GT seat, GT seat post, GT handlebars, and then I put on Shimano hydraulics, which I don't know why they keep going out and stop working for some reason. But that's basically it. I put the GT bars back on it. If you saw my last video, I had SC bars on it when I was basically just, because I saw some videos of people just looking over the bike, not really doing like a review on it. So I decided to do a review on it so people could see all about it and stuff, and answer some of the questions. Like one of them was if the rear peg here was just a twist on, or it has a bolt. It's a 17mm nut and axle that you need to put the nut into here and basically tighten it on that way. It's basically like regular pegs, higher end stuff, mostly. And then for brake pads, I just have generic Shimano brake pads. And oh yeah, GT seat clamp. Basically GT. Red instead of the orange and yellow, and I'm probably going to paint the frame and bars for the old 2019 SE Beast Mode color, just because I really like the color of that bike, and I think it would really make the red and purple pop. And then these tires are nice, but I like Maxxis, so I'm going to put Maxxis on the front and rear. The pegs can stay for now. They're handling up pretty well. They're getting a little beat up from me falling and shit already. There is a few scratches, of course. There's one up here from the old brake that didn't want to slide off. Then some from the bars from crashing, and then right here on the stickers. And then I'm going to go with some also Ride Out Supply sticker kit. And that's basically all I can think about for these bikes so far. Except for this one. This one I'm going to just stick with purple and fix it up, put some sticker kits on it and stuff. Basically just use this as a backup bike, ride it from here and there, do some videos and stuff on it. Get this fixed, probably figure out how to fix that seat, get more into the BMX aspect. I'm probably going to try to get a cheap little Hyper BMX I saw at Walmart just because I want to test it out. I want to bring it to Nashville skate park and let some of the more BMX people try it out, remove the brakes and stuff for them so they can do tricks and shit. And yeah, that's all I can think about for this video. Like, subscribe, share the video, help me get the channel more. I'm going to be putting up more content, different content. I'm going to try to do more reaction videos. I'm going to be posting some music on here. And if you want me to react to a certain video with your music, just drop it in the comments and I'll try to get to it as soon as I can. I do a little bit of gaming, some Xbox, and I'll talk to you guys later. See you in the next video.